Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce y'all to my sandwich shop business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what I'll do is introduce y'all to my sandwich shop business plan template, specifically the Word document, which contains the business plan template, and then also the financial model, which is in an Excel file. And then at the end of the video, I'll go ahead and provide y'all with a link to purchase the sandwich shop business plan template if you're interested. And also the link is right here. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am also the owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business plan writer. I'm also an author of several books that I've published on Amazon. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So with that said, if you're not looking for a template, but you want a custom written business plan, I'd be delighted to help you with that. Just give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Also, I can help you and assist with financial projections. All right, so enough with the infomercial. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the Sandwich Shop Business Plan template. So the Sandwich Shop Business Plan template is in a Word document. Once you open it up, you'll be greeted with the title page. Most of the people, what they'll do is they'll get rid of this wording right here, put their logo here, and then leave business plan underneath. And then the next page is going to be your table of contents. For the table of contents, once you add your information to the business plan, just come over to the table of contents, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click OK, and all your page numbers and your headings will update accordingly. On page 3, you will find your executive summary. In the executive summary, I give you a great starting point for your sandwich shop summary, your target market, your financial highlights, and your funding request. The numbers here for the financial highlights. Once you update the financial model, you'll be able to extract that information from your updated information. And anywhere in yellow, I do recommend you read through it. Make sure you put your information in there, make it your own. Then we got our company description. In the company description, I give you a great starting point for the sandwich shop summary, the popular products or services offered, competitive advantage starting point, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, as well as a description of the location. And then finally, this ends with the business objectives and timeline. Where do you want to be in 3 months, 6 months, and a year? In the next section, I do include industry research for the fast food in the U.S. industry. And this industry research is summarized from IBIS World. In my opinion, they are an industry leader in industry research. Then we have our SWOT analysis, our strengths or weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And this is in Smart Art, so all you got to do is just click on the words and start typing your own. Next segment is going to be the organizational structure. The organizational structure is broken into 2 components, which is a leadership section and then the organizational chart. Again, organizational chart, you just click on the words and then put in your own. We are now at the marketing section. Typically, a sandwich shop is going to market in 3 marketing channels, which is your traditional, your internet, and your social media. And of course, I give you a great starting point for each one. Next segment is the funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started, and the various terms in relations to a loan or an investor. And now we're at our financial projections. Financial projections, they are copy and pasted, so you would need to copy and paste the financial projections from the financial model. Included in the financial model is a profit and loss for year 1. It's broken up monthly as well as quarterly. Month 1 through 3, quarter 1. 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, and then 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, our pro forma income statement, which is again in the financial model. And this gives you your annual revenues, expenses, and net income breakdown for the next 5 years. All right, so that is the Word document. Let's go ahead and take a look at the financial model. Financial model has 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, which is just your financial summary, profit and loss for the next 12 months, and income statement. Once you are finished updating everything on the information page, as you update information on the information page, it will automatically update your profit and loss statement as well as your income statement. So once you're done with your information page, go to your various financial statements, copy those, and put those into your Word document. On the information page, anywhere in the darker color cells, that's the information you're going to update with your own information. And some of the information you're able to update is going to be your daily sales, your labor, startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates for revenues annually, as well as growth rate for your fixed cost, and then your loan information right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.